Your Lordship saw
It
that
is obvious.
12 teachers were absent.
It is obvious
Yes.
that if I brought my workforce nearer to the place of work,
Exactly.
I will get the best results.
Your Lordship will find
When you are getting the rule permits you,
Yes,
obviously you
definitely,
will come. But ground level situation is completely otherwise.
I understand, my lord. But what
Ground
can be
level
done?
situation is completely otherwise. Had there been a case that the rationalization policy could be implemented, I can understand. Keeping in view rationalization policy, some application for transfer can be entertained.
Right.
Now this has been locked in the Supreme Court.
In one matter, the state has filed a report. There are 8,000 surplus teachers in state of West Bengal. What those are doing over there? But if I am eligible for transfer, they may be brought
No,
here.
these 8,000 teachers are surplus in all over the West
Yes.
Bengal, and it can be distributed. Then the deserving teachers who want to come to their nearer to their house or otherwise
Yes.
can be looked into.
Absolutely, my lord. Absolutely. Well, kindly appreciates one thing. These teachers are not being able to pay their attention to teaching also. The smart bus
It is obvious.
Your Lordship saw
It
that
is obvious.
12 teachers were absent.
It is obvious
Yes.
that if I brought my workforce nearer to the place of work,
Exactly.
I will get the best result of
Best
it.
result. Absolutely.
But in doing so, I must keep it in my mind that it is the not for the benefit of the teacher. I am not saying that it is benefit of the student. For the
Students.
student.
Absolutely, my lord. Absolutely.
But in doing so, if you want to pluck some flowers in one school, that making the garden all flowerless, then what will happen?
No, solution
That is
there.
why the rationalization policy was prepared with much effort. So,
And
if
my lord,
the Honorable
my
Supreme Court,
effort was also there
yes, of course,
because no, I was asked and
yes,
I
at that
provided
time,
a document.
yes,
I
you know
provided.
that at
I
the
know.
time how it was worked on,
Yes, yes, yes.
how it was, how tough it was. The rationalization policy is the only way to get out of this problem of the teachers, problem
Absolutely.
of the students. The rationalization policy, now the huge number of surplus teachers, the teachers who wants to come to nearer to your house, very well, I have a surplus teacher of the same district, of the same area, maybe put in there. It is a simultaneous proceeding.
Yes, yes.
One is taking, one is backing up.
Well, there are two things. Honorable Supreme Court has held before 2017, it is not applicable.
Then
This
what will happen?
10C will not applicable. Now, after 2017, there are many appointments. Surplus teachers may be brought.
Mr. Lahiri, after 2017, show me the appointment.
No, no,
Large
not-
chunk of surplus teacher are
Very well, ma'am.
2017.
There is a provision for deputation as well, if not transfer. It is there in their hand, my lord. Unless if lordship kindly pushes them,
Don't
they will
know,
do it. My lord.
don't know. Deputation, a contempt will be is to the Supreme Court. Deputation is a
not administrative.
no, no. I don't know. There no one. Have you seen the law language of that order
Yes,
in two
yes.
paragraphs? It clarified in two paragraphs.
paragraphs.
One, you will not. These will not
Which
be
paragraph?
having
Within this
exception.
I have seen.
Within the district.
Within the
You know,
district.